Elegant, modern, effortless. Layered necklaces add depth and style to any outfit. From delicate chains to statement layers, every piece is designed to enhance your look. Embrace your style with jewelry made to shine. Discover the world of layered elegance with just one click. Our layered necklaces collection features versatile chains, chic pendants, and customizable layers. It's your style, your choice, your statement. Explore necklaces for every mood and occasion. Minimalist chains for daily wear, bold layers for parties, mixed metals for trendy style. Every combination is crafted for effortless beauty. Up close, every detail sparkles. Smooth chains, shimmering pendants, layered compositions. These necklaces are more than accessories, they're style essentials designed for elegance and versatility. Our favorite layered necklaces are here, chic, versatile, and always on trend. Beloved by fashion lovers and jewelry enthusiasts, these pieces are the highlights of any outfit. Begin your layered necklace journey today. Choose pieces that express your personality, style, and creativity. Let PandaHall layered necklaces complete your look. Thanks for watching. Discover more layered necklaces at PandaHall and make every outfit uniquely yours.